Hey guys, it's Canadian Cuber here, and my package from Speedcube-Store finally came in. It's an order of a few cubes, I can't remember how many, but let's get started and get into it. Shipping was it was pretty quick. It was about a week, I think, and that's pretty quick because I live in Canada and it's from the United States. Alright. See what we got here. Alright, we got 8 cubes here. I'll move this to the side. We can start here with, we have a QJ Pyraminx. Next we have a Shangshao 6x6. Next we have a Shangshao 5x5. And then there's the Shangshao 4x4. We have Cube Twist Square 1. A Lan. What is this? I can't remember. Well, we have a Lan puzzle here. I'll get into them yet, and I'll show you each one. Here we have a Cube for You 3x3x4. And then we have a super floppy cube. What else is in the box here? Alright, we have extra stickers for the 6x6 maybe? And extra stickers for the Pyraminx. Bag of air. Extra stickers for... Oh, these are the 6x6 stickers. Alright, oh, there's some more. These are for the 5x5. And these are for the 4x4. Alright, there we go, that's everything. Okay, let's get into it. Move my stickers here. Alright, we're going to start with the super floppy cube here. I haven't owned a super floppy cube yet. I have 2 regular floppy cubes, but this is my first one. Ooh, the turning's amazing. I love how it can change shape. It's really cool. Yeah, definitely worth getting. I only paid like $5 for it or something. The stickers I don't like because they're circles. It's just not. I thought I wouldn't like it more, but they're not that bad. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Let's go to the square one. This is my first square one, actually. It's by Cube Twist. Oh, the turning is perfect. It really turns great. No springy noises, nothing. It does seem a little dry. I don't know. No, I guess not. No, it turns really well. I'm gonna be learning how to solve this yet. Maybe if I can solve it myself, I won't have to. Alright, next we'll move on to this Lan puzzle that I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a Rex cube. Okay. Alright, so I did order a black one, but they didn't have black at the time, so they asked if I wanted a white one, and I said sure. This thing's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Here's a Diane Zanchi. It's the same size. Alright, the turning it's a little sluggish, but I still like it. It's really great. This is also my first puzzle, my First Rex cube. It's regular sticker scheme, except black on top because it's a white cube. I don't know, I kind of like black cubes better, but we'll see. Alright, next we'll move on to the QJ Pyraminx. Gonna have to cut something here. Oh, wow. Alright, this is also my first Pyraminx. I don't know how to solve it, obviously, but we'll see. The turning's really great. I think it has a clicking mechanism in there. At 45 and, well, yeah, 45 and full. I'm gonna have to get used to it. I know that one algorithm that everybody does, but I don't know. I think I don't know if it's lubed or not. I'm definitely gonna lube it. I'm gonna put some Lubix in there yet, and I will be doing a review on all these puzzles after in separate videos. But this is just an unboxing and first look. Alright, let's go to the Cube for You 3x3x4. This is actually also my first 3x3x4. A lot of these puzzles are new to me. Alright, looks good. I like the stickers. The red is kinda, I don't know if you can see, it's kinda, it's not the same as a different red. Alright, the turning is it's amazing. Turns perfectly. Yeah, it's really great. Yep, that's a really great puzzle too. I'm gonna enjoy learning that too. Alright, now we have the shank shell puzzles left. We can go to the 4x4 first. This is not my first 4x4. I've had two before. A Rubik's and a, I don't remember the other brand. Alright, there's the paper. It's my first shank shell puzzle, actually. Well, my first three today. Oh, turning is great. I love it. Just like people say it is. Outside layers, awesome. The colors are a little bit weird. The yellow is a little bit dull. Same with the orange. It's not as bright as I'd like it to be, but that's okay. Alright, let's go to the shank shell 5x5. Another paper, some bubble wrap. This is not my first 5x5. I've had another one, I don't remember the brand, just like the other one. There is lube on it, wow. You can feel it on the outside. Wipe it off here. Turning is great, just like all the other shank shell puzzles. All the layers are awesome. Beautiful. That's going to be fun learning, practicing my 5x5 times on that. And the 4x4 is, I don't know if you can see the size comparison there. The 4x4 is a very small bit tinier than the 5x5. Alright, and last but not least, the biggest puzzle, the shank shell 6x6. my first 6x6. I'm very excited. Another paper. Just gonna wipe off the lube, and it's a little bit dusty. Oh, yes, okay. Turns, does seem a little tight, but just like the other puzzles, turns really great. That's going to be a very good time enjoying solving this puzzle. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to do a separate review on each one of these puzzles, and I will post them in separate videos. Alright, thanks.